In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust file block settings in Microsoft Excel, which will allow you to control which file types can be opened, enhancing your overall security and flexibility. Let's dive right in. To start with, you'll want to launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you have Excel opened, direct your attention to the File tab located in the upper left corner of the window. Go ahead and give that a click. As you scroll to the bottom of the sidebar that appears, you'll find the Options tab sitting right at the end. Select it, and this will open up a world of configuration opportunities for Excel via the Excel Options window. Now within this Excel Options window, you should see a menu running along the left-hand side. Locate and click on Trust Center. This area helps manage the security and privacy options in Excel. On the right side, there's a button that says Trust Center Settings. Click on it and you'll enter the Trust Center, where we will spend a bit of time fine-tuning your Excel experience. Inside the Trust Center, you have a menu listing various settings and controls. Here you'll want to click on File Block Settings. This section is critical as it holds the keys to determining which file types your Excel can open or block. You'll see a list that includes various file types, especially older Excel formats. Next to these, there are checkboxes that help you manage their open, save, or block statuses. Now, onto adjusting these settings to suit your needs. If there are certain older file types, such as .xls or .xlt, that you want Excel to open, just uncheck the box under Open. And if you're looking to apply an extra layer of security by blocking specific file types, you'll want to check the corresponding boxes. This is an excellent way to safeguard your work from potentially harmful files. Additionally, for an extra layer of protection, there's an option to check or uncheck Open selected file types in protected view. This helps you open files in a safer environment before committing to full access. Once you've made all your preferred adjustments, it's time to save your configurations. Simply click OK to put these changes into effect. You'll need to click OK one more time to exit out of the Excel Options window, and just like that, your file block settings have been updated. You've now tailored Excel to better suit your security needs and operational preferences. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like the video. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing for more Excel tips and tutorials in the future. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.